Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn new topic if and formula together. The purpose of if and formula together is we can use different conditions and get our result. It is used usually in statistics, mathematics and Excel conditions, and you can make any formula and get result easily. This is our criteria. If the interval value is greater than 16, then comes A1. If interval value equal to 16 but less than 16.999, this it has used two conditions: equal to 16, greater than 16 but less than and equal to 16.99, then comes B1. If we have two conditions, we usually use if and formula together. In the solution tab, I use this formula like 15 less than 16, then comes A1. It is 15 less than 16, then shows A1. This is the formula if and. You see, we use if and for two conditions and bracket close. First use we condition with bracket open, then end of condition we close our bracket. Greater than equal to 16, greater than equal to 16, comma less than equal to 16.99, then bracket close, then comes comma B1. This is only for your showing. I do it as well for your learning purpose. I delete it. Okay, equal to if and this is less than 16, then comes bracket close A1, or this if and this this if and this is greater than equal to 16, this again this is less than equal to 16.99, bracket close, comma B1, comma if and this. Actually we copy this formula in next down values, therefore I select this only. If and this is greater than equal to 17, this is less than equal to 18.49, comma B1. If and this is greater than equal to 18.5, this is less than equal to 24.9 B1. have to use comma, then d1. Otherwise comes 0. We close our bracket. 1 2 3. You see the result a1. I delete remaining. You see the result comes a1. The value is 15. Less than 16 is a1. Then copy formula. I'll copy this formula and paste remaining cell. That's some mistakes. You understand it? Actually, I select a1 if c9. C9 means a1. C9 means a1. This is c9. It means a1. C10 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 means b1. b1. C11 means c1. dc12 means d1. d. Okay. a1 we write as this a1. b1 write this this. c1 write in quotation mark, then comes c1. When we think it comes the text value, then we have to use quotation mark, otherwise it doesn't come. In interval value, the result would be shown in a1. a1 is our output. When the output comes, it must be shown in quotation marks. Therefore, now it will I mention a1 in quotation marks, then comes a1. If and f9 is greater than 16, then comes a1. The value comes, it must be in quotation mark. If and f9 greater than equal to 16 or less than equal to 16.99, then comes b1. This is b1 should be on quotation mark, in quotation mark. Then when we enter this, the formula convert as b1 and press enter. Copy it and paste. Here you see the result. Less than 16. If less than 16, then a1. Less than 16, 15 is less than 16, a1. Then 16 dash 16.99, this is 16.8, b1. Again less than 16, a1. 17 and greater than 18, less than equal to 18.49, I type here 18, then c1. Then interval value 18.5, 24.9, I type here 22 as well, then result is d1. The purpose of making this video